What's up guys, welcome to our initial video on Casper. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing Xiaomi's latest flagship buds, the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro. Xiaomi has been in the wireless earbud business since 2018, but I believe this time they have raised the bar to a whole new level. On the front, in addition to the image and the name of TWS headphones from Xiaomi, in the lower right part you can see the inscription, Hi-Res Audio Wireless. It seems that this is what the manufacturer wants to emphasize. The back has a lot of information about the headphones themselves, their capabilities, support for connection interfaces and various protocols. Those who are interested can read it right away. Let's take a look at what's inside the box and we will share thoughts on the package. The Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro feature a top-notch design and high-quality plastic finish. Comparing the Buds design to dominant brands, in terms of quality and design it's on the same level as Apple or Samsung. Inside, in addition to 2-star gold Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro headphones, there is a charging case also in gold, a USB Type-C charging cable, 2 additional pairs of ear pads and a paper user manual. Although Xiaomi currently provides only 2 color variants, the gold color we received looked pretty amazing and can be used by both genders. The buds come with interchangeable rubber ear tips, which helps them to stay put too. There's a choice of small, medium or large. The ear tips box is quite compact and had a bit of a hassle getting them out and putting them in, but managed to pull it through. The user guide manual provides quite good information regarding on specifics and how to use Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro. Remember to scan the QR code which is inside the manual to download the Xiaomi Earbuds application. This will enable you to enhance the experience of the buds to the fullest. The full-out standard wrapping on the charging case helps indicate that Xiaomi wanted to highlight the slick design of the bud, especially for the gold one. Let's take out the wrapping and have a look at this elegant design and its first impressions. The external surface of the case is very glossy and shiny. In terms of case design, Xiaomi designed the case cover to open forwards, just like opening a car's front engine cover. As opposed to previous Xiaomi company models with upwards openings, this is a new design approach. Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro received a space capsule design that almost completely matches the contours inside the charging case, and several built-in magnets for fixing the headphones inside. The buds provide exceptional comfort due to their soft-touch plastic tips and small size. Of course, selecting the right plastic tip is crucial for enhancing your listening experience as well as noise cancellation. On the button of the case, you will find your standard Bluetooth pairing button that you can find in all if not most of Xiaomi earbud products. On the downside, Xiaomi could have provided a silicone protective case to protect its smooth surfaces from any possible scratches, especially when carrying outdoors. There we have it, all the contents of the box. I did expect a little more gadgets as it's a flagship buds from Xiaomi. What is clear from the outset is that Xiaomi has opted for a more refined and elegant design this time around. Out of the box Buds 4 Pro immediately catch your attention. The retail package arrives with the earbuds, a few different sized ear tips, a charging case, a Type-C charging cable and instruction booklet. You get to choose between 2 color options, space black and star gold. Both lean towards sophistication rather than playfulness. I like the streamlined shape of the headphone case and the decorative elements made by high-pressure molding. You immediately feel that this is a top-of-the-line model, where everything is thought out and made very well. There are 2 charging magnetic contacts on the bottom of the headset, and a microphone is located at the bottom. The pair of buds feature a distinct flat, squarish stem, which departs from the traditional curved oval form. This innovative design actually enhances their grip, making them easier to handle. The Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro offer a very comfortable fit. The earbuds are designed in a way that they should fit snugly in most ears, without feeling too big or intrusive, plus they fit securely enough to remain in your ears even with moderate movement. The Buds 4 Pro are very comfortable to wear and sit well inside the ears without slipping. They are also very lightweight, weighing 5 grams per bud or 10 grams for a pair, and a charging case weighing 50 grams. You have 60 grams of weight to carry inside a small pocket or bag, which is considered to be super light. Experience high-quality low-frequency sounds and ultra-linear low distortion with Xiaomi's customized second-generation, ultra-dynamic dual-magnet ring. 11mm dual-magnet super balance driver for a powerful hi-fi audio. The optimized design of the centering disc allows the earbuds to deliver a live-like acoustic experience. One of the highlights of the Buds 4 Pro buds is the immersive sound function that basically gives you a surrounding 3D sound effect. Another excellent feature that really makes listening to live shows more convenient. The earbuds probably have an internal built-in sensor that automatically adjusts the sound levels according to head movement, making it feel like you are listening to a live show or concert. Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro is certified by Hi-Res Audio Wireless and supports Sony's LDAC audio codec at transmission speeds of up to 990 kbps, as well as audio resolutions of 96 kHz, 24-bit and above. Thankfully, the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro earbuds offer solid audio quality, and while I did miss the lack of EQ, most will be perfectly happy with what's on offer here. In general, the sound quality of Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro leans more towards a 3-frequency balance. The analytical power allows you to qualitatively separate the human voice from musical instruments, and to detail the sound on the spot. The sound field is quite wide, and even if spatial audio is not enabled, you can feel a fairly obvious stereo sound effect. One of the key features of the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro is its advanced noise cancellation technology, which uses a triple microphone to drown out ambient noise and deliver crystal clear sound. This is especially useful when you're in a crowded place or on the go and want to focus on your music or podcast without distractions. The earbuds have a maximum noise cancellation depth of up to 48 dB, covering a wider range of noises. The earbuds bring you instant quiet, even when in a noisy city, metro station, or airport. Inside the application, you can choose 3 levels of transparency. In addition, there are 6 levels of active noise cancellation. This feature can be adjusted manually or automatically by selecting the adaptive noise cancellation option. In addition to the convenience of wireless charging, the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro also come with a fast charging feature. This means that even if you're in a rush and don't have much time to recharge your earbuds, a quick 5-minute charge can provide up to 3 hours of music playback time, while a full charge can last up to 9 hours of continuous use on the buds. The charging case provides an additional 38 hours of battery life, which means you can use the earbuds for a whole day without having to recharge them. Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro is equipped with an advanced chip and multi-core collaboration. The most suitable core will be invoked for different scenarios to increase computing efficiency and lower power consumption, prolonging the battery life. The charging case supports Qi wireless charging and is compatible with various charging devices. Long-lasting battery and faster charging will help you to leave behind anxiety over low battery. This means that you can simply place the charging case of the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro on a wireless charging pad, and let it charge without having to fumble around with cords or worry about plugging in the charging case. It also eliminates the need to have multiple charging cables for different devices, making it a convenient and practical solution for those who are always on the go. The Bluetooth 5.3 connection is reliable, and the buds generally connect without issue. They can also be linked to two devices at the same time, with seamless switching between them. The feature can be useful, for example, if you are listening to music or watching a movie on a laptop and a call comes through on your smartphone. The buds maintain a connection up to 10 meters away from your phone in open spaces without obstacles. Both the buds and case have an IP54 rating, meaning they are protected against dust, but only splashes of water. IP54 rating applies to the earbuds and charging case. Please do not use your earbuds around hot water. Your earbuds cannot be used when bathing or showering. Please try to avoid using your earbuds during strenuous exercise. Sweat during exercise may cause damage to the device. The Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro is splash-proof, water-resistant and dust-resistant at the time of purchase. However, these properties are not permanent and may diminish over time with everyday wear and tear. Your warranty does not cover damage caused to your device by immersion in liquid. Overall, the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro is an excellent pair of wireless earbuds that compact with features and provide exceptional sound quality. The earbuds are comfortable to wear, have a long battery life, and support fast charging. The noise cancelling and transparency modes are particularly useful, and the touch controls make it easy to navigate through your music and calls. With its competitive price point, the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro is definitely worth considering for anyone in the market for a new pair of wireless earbuds. That's all for now, guys. We hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified on our next video.